What's up guys, I'm George Lahoff, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Maslow CNC. So if you haven't heard about the Maslow, it's a vertical CNC machine that's 4 foot by 8 foot. So it's a large cutting area. You can stand it up vertically so it doesn't take up a whole bunch of room in whatever space you're working in. And it's completely kind of do-it-yourself type of system. So everything they do is open source online. But just to give you an idea, this is the box that you actually get in the mail when you back this up. So I think I supported it through Kickstarter. I expected a much bigger box than this, but again, because I'm the one that's gonna have to build the frame. So when you purchase this thing, you get all the parts, but you're making the frame. So you're gonna get this small little box. I'm gonna show you how to what's in it when you open up the box. So check it out. All right. Power adapter. Just a bunch of screws. Data cable. More screws. Another data cable. Okay, so this is actually the chain that you use that's going to move the motors on the Maslow after we build the whole thing up. Another data cable. More screws and some hooks. Okay, this is going to be for the motor, right? Okay, alright. Thank you for purchasing. Oh, this is a list of parts. Okay, great. So I won't actually put a parts list up there. I'll just make sure I have everything. This is the sticker for alignment. Okay. So these are the motors. They're pretty beefy motors, which is pretty sweet. They're definitely a bit more expensive. This is like a thick board, so you can communicate with the Maslow. The board, I just read, is actually an Arduino, and there's an Arduino shield. And these have things inside of it. Alright, some brackets. Another bracket. More brackets. And another bracket. Cool. Sticker. I'll add this to my computer's collection. This is a pretty cool one too. So this motor is for the actual Z-axis, I think. Alright, so that's really it. You know. Alright guys, that's everything that comes in that Maslow box. I know not a lot to look at right now, but I will be making some videos on how to build a frame and some projects that we're going to be doing. And I'll be doing a lot of collaborations. So keep your eyes out for those videos coming out. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see those videos in the future. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like. And if you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment. I try to get back to every single one of you guys. Thanks again for watching, guys.